Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Now today we're working on a Boxster Cayman and we've got a part here that can address a few issues. Let me explain. So we have a redesigned factory plinth or a mounting box. Now this can solve two problems. One is you can avoid drilling into the car altogether because the dealership will fit this plastic mounting box and screw it into your car. This can be a tape-on option only. Not only that, if you're running a smaller plate or if you're in New South Wales with a premium plate, they're going to be too skinny, so this box is going to be the wrong size. This solves that problem as well. I'll show you how that works. First thing, just take everything off and have a look behind. Before I take this off, you can see that if you're running South Australian or New South Wales slimline plates, you can see how that's the wrong size. A lot of small plates in Victoria and Sydney, they're also too narrow, which you can see the plastic. Let's take these screws out and take off the box. So you see the 4 holes on the car. This is what this part can do, avoid all these holes completely. So 2 of them are from the factory mounting point, and the other 2 would be the number plate that would have gone onto the car. So what you can do, if your car is new and you don't have holes, grab our part instead, because it can be a stick-on only, and this is used with a bunch of chemicals that we provide, and I'll show you how that works. So if you're doing a tape-on option, I'll show you how to do it. We won't be doing it on this car because it already has the holes. We can just utilize the factory mounting points. But if you are taping, this is how you would do it. Temporarily peel off a section of the tape so you can tape it on temporarily. At the bottom, there's a guide. If you look at the bottom of the car, which I'll cut in a bit later, there's actually a groove which you can line up so you can find the center. Stick it on temporarily, and then mask off the section because we're going to apply primer, which is one of the chemicals we'll give you to give it a strong bond. Now that you've masked off the section, take off the plinth and grab the alcohol pad to give it a really nice clean, so that way your primer can be applied. Once it's clean and you're happy with it, this is the primer that you get in the pack. The way it works is, inside this cardboard sleeve, there's a plastic tube with a glass vial inside. What you would do is squeeze it, the glass breaks inside, and it leaks out onto the cotton tip, which you can then apply onto the car. Once you've done that, it will dry and haze over. All you're gonna do now is just peel off all the tape, align the notch with the other notch on the car, stick it on, and press firmly. If you can, leave it overnight for it to cure. Now, if you're going with the screw-on option, now the screw-on option is good if you already have the existing holes. Just take off the box and this can just pretty much take its place. You can use the screws that came out of originally, but we do provide you with upgraded stainless steel screws. To install it, all you gotta do is just tuck the part underneath this lip section of the bumper. It butts up completely and you can line up to the factory holes and just drive your screw into the car. Now that we have the plinth on the car, it's time to pair it up with a number plate bracket. Now, because the solution is in 2 parts, plinth is to suit the car, you need a bracket to match your number plate style. So if you're running, say, heritage plates, grab the bracket that matches, hold it to the car, and that way your plates can go on. If you're running, say, signatures, which is what the customer is going to run on the car, we have a signature bracket. We'll put that onto the plinth, and the plate can go on to finish the look. To install the bracket's quite easy. You can pair up any of the 2 mounting points onto any of the slots in the bracket. The customer wants it as high as possible, so let's go with these bottom 2. We'll put in the bolts and the plates can clip on. And that's the installation complete, using our number plate mounting system to get rid of the plastic box that, 1, will create holes in your car if you don't already have them, and 2, get them in the correct size so you don't see excess plastic around the car. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.